Hi! Today we are checking out the Addams Family Collection released by Burger King in their King Jr. meal. We have Gomez Addams, Morticia Addams, Uncle Fester, Cousin It, Thing, and Wednesday Addams. Here is the special edition King Jr. bag. Here's Lurch. You rang. Here's the side of the bag. The other side of the bag has a maze with a Lurch's silhouette. Start. And here is the special edition crown. This 6-piece set is Burger King's October 2024 collection. Let's check them out. First up, we have Gomez Addams. Okay, so a little lever back here. His arms go up and down. Oh, it's supposed to be like him snapping his fingers. It's really loud. His fingers look like they're snapping. He stands up on his own. His head does not move. And that is Gomez Addams. Next up is Morticia Addams. She came with a comb and she has hair to comb. How cool is that? Wow, and it looks like we can store the comb under her feet. Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow. Her arms. Oh, one arm moves. So this one moves. This one does not. Whoa. Yeah, that one's stuck. Some of her hair is coming out. And that is Morticia Addams. Up next, we have Uncle Fester. Here's Uncle Fester. There's a little switch back here. And a little button does something. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the lights out and see what happens. Ooh, bats show up. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. Ooh. So that was super cool. Let's look at Uncle Fester's details. He's a good size figurine. And that is Uncle Fester. Up next, we have Cousin It. Let's wind Cousin It up. Oh, that's cute. So Cousin It works. And that is Cousin It. Up next, Thing. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so it looks like a coffin. Addams. Addams. Okay. Open the lid. Oh, and Thing pops out to scare us. Oh.
Can I slide?
Yeah. Here you go. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's pretty cool. It's very creative. And that is Thing. And last but not least, Wednesday Addams. There's a button to push. So this button makes the little green guy move around. Okay. And then she has a switch back here. Okay, let's see what the switch does. Ooh, she lights up too. Let's turn out the lights. Ah, that's so cool.
Whoa, it looks pretty with it glowing in the dark.
It does look pretty. Okay, so Uncle Fester and Wednesday are my favorites. These are really cool features. This is a really cool feature. It lights up. Wow. But this one's really cool. Uncle Fester's really cool. Morticia is really cool. You can comb her hair. And I like that the comb makes as a stand for her. Here is the complete collection out of their packages. Who is your favorite?
My favorite is Uncle Fester on Wednesday.
Okay. Who is your favorite?
It.
You like Cousin It? Okay. I like Uncle Fester and Wednesday also. I like the lights. I think they're really cool. And you like that Cousin It rolls around?
Yes.
Let me know in the comment section if you have a favorite. Let me know if you have collected any of these. Bye. Thanks for watching.